So hello and welcome to the channel, and today I wanna showcase how to remove the buttons from the steering wheel Ford Focus MK4. So this one over here, an ST line steering wheel, but the buttons are probably the same for each of it. So there is few variations on the buttons, but what I want to show you, I want to show you how to remove the buttons. So for the airbag, as you can see, this one is already out, but I did put a video on the channel how to remove the full steering wheel. So in order to remove the buttons, you will need to take out the airbag, so check that video out. It's not that complicated. So yeah, if you need just airbag out, not the full steering wheel, check out the video. It will be on the end screen. So now let's showcase how to take out the buttons. So I will show you first on this one. So these are the pins. So this one, this over here, so that's 2, this one over here, that's 3, and we have another one over here, another one over here. So those are the 5 ones that is holding all this in place. So most easy way is just grab over here and pull them out. It's nothing overly complicated. You just need to apply a little bit of force. So one side over here and another side on this side. Again, a little bit of force. It's even easier once it's still attached to the car, because then you have just to pull these pieces. So the only thing that's left now, so this one is out, this one almost. So now only thing that's left is this one, this, as you can see, this plastic, this piece that is holding it a little bit over here. But again, just pull out and it should go. So now you can just move this a little bit out so you don't take this piece as well. So take it, maybe some screwdriver or plastic trim. So basically that's to take it out. As you can see over here, it's quite nothing overly too special. So only thing now holding over here, let me zoom a little bit, is this piece. So I do have some plastic tool over here. I'm gonna use it to just click it out. So you don't wanna break anything, so you don't wanna make some damage to the everything else. So like this. I'm not sure if you're gonna see, so maybe like this, a bit better. Camera don't wanna hold, so maybe like this. So basically just pull out over here, and the rest will follow the path. So only thing left after that is to take out the electricity, so the wirings and everything. There is, as you can see over here, this one don't want to really get out, but we'll force him out. So yeah, so basically the buttons are out. So if you want to change them for some other, here is the part number, basically same as the Fiesta. So Fiesta has this H1 B1. So, and now if you want to put it back, as you can see over here, there is, I did pull a little bit out, so I will click it back, click this back, and then you just take the buttons, press where it should go, like this, and if you're 100% sure that's it, you just click it fully back, so like this. Nothing overly too special. This last part will be a little bit tricky because you have the pins for the plastic, but as I said, you just click it in. So turn the electricity back, the wiring where it should go, and basically that's all you have to do. So I did mistake over here. I will rectify it. You just need to put this wiring underneath, so let me just do it. So finally put all electricity where it should be. Let me a little bit zoom in. So, and that's basically, that's not that really hard. It's even easier when it is on the car. So after that, you just take and plug all your wiring into the airbag and click the airbag in. I'm not gonna do that, I don't have the need right now. So yeah, there is, as I said, few of these different variations for these buttons over here, but this one is kind of always the same, I believe. This one here for the different types of adjustable tempomat and stuff like that. So I hope this will help you. More videos coming to the channel. I will put on the end screen how to remove the steering wheel, and I don't know what else you would need. So removing the steering wheel, or it starts with airbags. So yeah, that's about that for this video. If you have any other needs that you would like me to showcase, be free to comment below. Whatever is focus related, Fiesta or stuff like that, if I have it on hand, I will gladly make it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. It will help me grow the channel, and I'm gonna keep doing as much as I can. So that's basically that for this one. Stay tuned, safe roads, and see you guys in the next one. So till next one, see ya.